Guys, I'm doing this red Camaro here, and I thought I'd just show you something. I was getting started on it. I thought it'd be a good quick tip. Um, Basically, I got this one from a dealership, a good dealership that I still do business with, and the these tires are juiced up. So silicone all over the place. Let me see if I can get you a good picture of it. So, as you can see, they're nice and shiny. You can see all that. That's sopping wet tire shine. And so when you see stuff like that, you just want to do an extra good job of cleaning off the bumper, making sure the tires are covered with the tire covers and all that, and just, being real thorough, getting in everything. So the front, the tape wasn't sticking very good because of the silicone. It's another telltale sign. And so I spent a ton of time. I started with some thinner, and then I did some wax and grease remover before I even taped, which I don't usually do, to get all that stuff off. And then throughout the process, I'm just going to do a really, really thorough job of cleaning after every step. So anyways, thought I'd let you guys know about that, and cheers. We'll talk to you later. All right, here we are with a few close-up pictures of the tire shine and how it looks. I just smeared my finger over it so you can see how much it was caked on, the silicone. And guys, just can't stress enough how poisonous this is, especially to the clear coat. Um, that this will just really destroy your paint job, and a lot of times you won't even notice until you get to the end, and your job could be ruined. So you want to be really careful of this and just be aware of, you're feeling it, you're seeing if anything feels too slick, or looks too shiny. So I basically paint thinnered and twice, and wax and grease remover twice. And I really took my time and got down in there, in the cracks, and made sure that I got all of that silicone out. So you could see there where I have the tape, it really wasn't sticking for a long time. And so I kept cleaning it and looking around and making sure that I got all of it off, and spent a lot of time doing that, so that I knew that I was confident at the end when I cleared it wouldn't bubble up or fisheye or anything like that. So here it is all taped off. There's the primer, and it, as you could see, turned out great. The actual repair was easier than the cleaning, and I love clearing that cherry red. Turned out great. So thanks guys again. Hope to see you next time.